Welcome to the top picks. The best Xbox Rechargeable is probably one of the most essential accessories for any serious gamer, transforming the frustrating cycle of disposable batteries into a seamless, eco-friendly, and cost-effective power solution that keeps you in the game longer without interruption, ensuring your controller is always ready for action when you are, making dead batteries a relic of the past and enhancing your overall gaming experience with unparalleled convenience and reliability. Number 5. Fosmon Fast Charging Xbox Controller Charger Station. Tired of your controller dying mid-game? This dual charging dock ensures you always have power. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing endless gaming time for your Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, or Elite controllers. Stop wasting money on disposable batteries. Its high-capacity NMH batteries offer 40 to 45 hours of playtime per charge. These SGS-certified batteries ensure safety and a superior gaming experience. Charging your controllers is incredibly easy. Just place them on the dock, and they'll align and start charging automatically. It also serves as a convenient storage solution, keeping your controllers organized and ready. This charging station features smart technology for safe and efficient power delivery. It protects against overheating and short circuits, stopping automatically when fully charged. LED indicators clearly show the charging status for each slot. Enjoy complete peace of mind with your purchase. It comes backed by a limited lifetime warranty. Visit the official website for full details and support. What we like. This charging station offers a convenient dual-slot design with high-capacity batteries. Its place and charge feature makes powering up your controllers incredibly simple and intuitive. If you are looking for a hassle-free charging experience and extended playtime without worrying about battery swaps, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Xbox Controller Rechargeable Battery Pack. This pack offers universal compatibility with Xbox Series XS, Xbox One, and Elite controllers. It includes 4 precision-molded battery doors for a perfect, seamless fit. Say goodbye to disposable batteries and mid-game interruptions. Powered by high-quality NMH cells, it provides up to 40 hours of combined gameplay on a full charge. Enjoy consistent power for your longest gaming sessions. These rechargeable batteries fully replenish in just 2.5 hours. With its play and charge design, you can continue your gaming marathon while connected, ensuring zero downtime. It features an integrated protection system against overcharging and overheating. This sustainable solution offers over 1,000 recharge cycles, saving you money and replacing thousands of single-use cells. This 2-battery kit ensures you never run out of power. Use them for 2 controllers or keep one as a ready-to-swap backup for marathon solo sessions. The included cable has clear LED status indicators. What we like. This battery pack offers universal compatibility and an impressive 40 hours of playtime. Its play while charging feature ensures your gaming sessions are never interrupted. If you need reliable, long-lasting power and the flexibility to keep playing even when charging, this pack is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Xbox One and Series XS controller charger with 4 battery packs. Never run out of power during intense gaming sessions again. This upgraded charger and battery pack system keeps your controllers ready for action. Designed for Xbox One, One S, One X, Elite, and Series XS controllers, it includes 4 high-capacity 4080 mAh rechargeable batteries. These powerful packs ensure your gaming never stops. Charge up to 4 batteries simultaneously in just 2.5 to 3 hours. Once fully charged, they provide an impressive 10 hours of uninterrupted gameplay, keeping you in the zone. Each battery has its own LED indicator. It glows red when charging and turns green when ready, making it easy to see which packs are good to go for a quick swap. Enjoy peace of mind with built-in overcharge, overcurrent, overheated, and short-circuit protection. This ensures the safety of your batteries and extends their lifespan for up to 2,000 recharges. Inside the box, you'll find 4 4080 mAh rechargeable battery packs, a convenient charger dock, and a user manual. We're also here to help with any questions you may have. What we like. This charger stands out with its inclusion of 4 rechargeable batteries and a portable design. The individual LED indicators make it easy to monitor the charge status of each pack. If you have multiple controllers or frequently game with friends and need plenty of backup power, this kit provides ample supply. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 2. DXKK Xbox Controller Battery Pack. Tired of your controller dying mid-game? This pack ensures your gaming sessions last longer. It provides up to 30 hours of continuous playtime, so you can stay immersed without interruption. Featuring two 6,200 mAh high-capacity batteries, it's designed for all your Xbox Series XS, One, and Elite controllers. You won't need to swap out batteries during crucial moments. Charging is incredibly convenient with 3 versatile ports. It supports Type-C, micro USB, and even adapter charging, giving you flexible choices for powering up. Get back to gaming faster with its 3-hour fast charging, even for 2 batteries simultaneously. Plus, advanced technology with an anti-overcharged board ensures safe overnight charging. These high-quality NMH batteries maintain 100% power after over 2,000 recharges, saving you money. Clear LED indicators show charging status, turning green when fully charged. Looking for a thoughtful present for a gamer? This battery pack makes an excellent gift for friends and family, especially during holidays like Christmas. What we like. This battery pack boasts an impressive 6,200 mAh capacity and versatile charging options. With multiple charging ports, it offers great flexibility for powering up your controllers. If you prioritize maximum battery life and diverse charging methods for convenience, this option delivers extended playtime and adaptability. What people say. Number 1. Fosmon Rechargeable Xbox Controller Charger Kit. Tired of constantly buying AA batteries for your Xbox controller? This kit offers a cost-effective solution. You'll save hundreds of dollars and thousands of disposable batteries over time. Never let a low battery interrupt your game again. These extended 5,280 mAh batteries provide up to 40 hours of playtime each. With 2, you get up to 80 hours of power. Running low on power? Its powerful 5V 1.5A USB-C charger fully recharges the batteries in just 4.5 hours. Get back into the action quickly and efficiently. This dual-slot rapid charging dock lets you power up 2 batteries at once. Keep one ready while you play, ensuring continuous gaming. It can be powered directly from your console's USB port or any 5V 1.5A USB source. Rest assured with UL and SGS certified batteries and charging dock. They feature overcharge and overcurrent protection, extending their life to over 1,000 charge cycles. An LED indicator clearly shows charging status. These high-capacity rechargeable batteries are compatible with the latest Xbox Series XS controllers. They also work seamlessly with Xbox One, One SX, and Elite controllers. What we like. This kit features extended 5,280 mAh batteries and dual charging ports for efficiency. Its UL-certified batteries provide peace of mind regarding safety and reliability. If you value certified safety standards and robust, long-lasting power for uninterrupted gaming, this charger kit is a secure and dependable choice. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.